in the World Cup, where should Virat bat? Should he open one down? Where should he bat?
Open with Rohit Sharma.
Oh, I like that. I love that. Rocco is unstoppable that way. And Surya at 3. And then there's
Five.
and Rinku.
Rinku, seventh or sixth.
No Hardik. No Hardik. Right, with some more fans right now, asking them about India's T20 World Cup squad. Do you think Virat Kohli should go to the World Cup?
Yeah, sure. He's in prime form now.
Yeah.
He should open for India in T20 World Cup.
They are using his name like for publicity, for advertising. Then why should he not play?
हमारे नाम का पत्थर धरता है पानी में, चाहे तो फेंक के देख लीजिए.
He can open with Rohit Sharma. I would love to see him open with Rohit Sharma for now.
Why are people questioning his strike rate?
Barring the strike rate, which everyone's questioning, I think the runs cannot be denied. He's still holding the orange cap. And even in tricky situations, we saw in the 50-over World Cup as well, where he scored all the runs.
He's playing in good form. Orange cap है.
Yeah. Finally.
Strike rate का क्या करना है? तुम runs देखो ना.
So you need someone who can be stable over there. It's not all about scoring runs. One has to also hold the innings.
Australian.
Really? Not an Indian fan? Okay, as an Australian fan, do you think Virat Kohli should play the World Cup?
Yes,
Why do you think he should play?
because he has the stamina to hit many runs.
Sir, so many people are questioning his strike rate. Are they making sense?
Yes, he's Virat, he's King Kohli. Right? Yeah, so he has to be there in the World Cup. Even Rohit Sharma, he's the boss.
So will you open with Rocco?
No.
One down is the perfect position for the Virat Kohli.
Yeah. So where do you think he should bat for India in the World Cup?
In the top two, definitely.
Right?
Yes.
So then who opens for you?
Certainly Rohit and no doubt.
Rohit and Jaiswal?
Yes, 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 yes.
खेलोगे ना?
देखिए क्या होता है.
कुछ तो बोलो.
क्या बोलूं?
So Rohit, Jaiswal openers?
Gill.
Gill. No Jaiswal for you?
And opener should be Yashasvi and Rohit Sharma.
No Shubman Gill?
I think so. It should be Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma.
Rohit and Gill.
Rohit and Gill? No Jaiswal?
No.
Rohit, yeah. Shubman and Rohit.
Who should open in your regard for India in the World Cup?
Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli.
Love that. Who should bat 3 down then? Or 1 down?
Shubman Gill.
Okay. So no Surya?
Yeah, Surya 2 down.
Okay. And do you have Rinku and Hardik in your playing 11s?
Yes, definitely.
Hardik.
Hardik?
I have both.
Yeah. Who should be a wicketkeeper? Samson, Pant, KL, Jitesh?
Fun, certainly.
Sure, right? Is that because he's left-handed?
Yes, he's left-handed and he can turn around the game for you.
भयंकर भाई मैच जिता के दिया है.
Punt.
Why Pant?
No, he is fit now.
At this moment, considering the IPL form, it should be Sanju Samson.
Not Rishabh Pant?
No, he's still recovering.
लाइफ दूसरा मौका सबको नहीं देती.
Pant. Why are you saying Pant?
Because he's been trained by Dhoni.
Not Rishabh Pant.
Still is recovering from his injury, so maybe Sanju Samson. I think it should be Dinesh Karthik.
It should be Dinesh Karthik for the World Cup. Would you take Dinesh Karthik to the World Cup?
He always delivers in IPL, but we know from the previous T20 World Cup.
मैं नर्वस हो जाता हूँ और लोग समझते हैं मुझे कुछ आता जाता ही नहीं है.
I would prefer KL over Punt. I think Sanju Samson should have it.
Many people are saying DK.
DK is good, no doubt, but he's better of a finisher. I wouldn't suggest him as a wicketkeeper as of now.
Ishan Kishan.
Ishan Kishan, left field. I like that. And where do you think Ishan Kishan should bat?
In the 4th down or 5th down, in the middle order.
Rohit Sharma.
I'll prefer KL always. Yes.
Okay, you agree with it?
I'll go with Pant. Yeah.
KL.
KL.
And KL should bat where? 5?
4.
4. Pant, is it Jurel? Is it Jitesh? Is it KL?
Always MS Dhoni.
उम्र भर तो क्रिकेट नहीं खेल पाओगे ना. हमको दूसरा नौकरी मिल जाएगा.
2 down can be Shreyas Iyer.
No Surya.
Surya can be 3 down.
What about Rinku, Hardik? Do they make your World Cup
Come
side?
down the line.
And then Rinku?
Rinku, I mean, he does not play that well also, like not that established as the other of them.
Hardik?
No.
Jadeja?
Jadeja can come after them.
Finally, random question. Who should partner Jasprit Bumrah in the World Cup for India?
Oh, I wish Mohammad Shami would be back, but I'm not too sure I'm not too sure he's fit right now. But I think I'll still give it to Siraj, being the number 2 of the Indian fast bowling attack.
Obviously, Siraj.
Yeah.
Even though his form's been really terrible.
Siraj would be great with the backing of Bumrah. Bumrah will build some pressure and Siraj will get some wickets as usual.
Bhuvneshwar.
Yeah?
Bhuvi.
No Arshdeep, no Siraj.
No. Because my name is Bhuvan, so I go with Bhuvi.
Pawan.
I think Chahal should come back again.
ಬುಮ್ರಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟೀಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
World Cup ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ.
Thank you, brother.